Hey everyone, today I'm going to share my top 10 car maintenance hacks that every driver should know. These tips are super simple and can save you a ton of money. So let's dive in. Hack number 1. Check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can reduce fuel efficiency and cause uneven wear. Grab a tire pressure gauge, which you can get for a few bucks, and check those tires once a month. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Hack number 2. Change your air filter. A clean air filter improves your car's performance and fuel efficiency. It's usually located in a black box near the front of your engine. Swap it out every 12,000 miles or as per your car's manual. Easy peasy. Hack number 3. Use a penny to check your tire tread. Place a penny in the tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see all of his head, it's time for new tires. Simple, right? Hack number 4. Clean your headlights with toothpaste. It sounds weird, but it works. Apply a bit of toothpaste to a cloth and scrub in a circular motion. Rinse off with water and voila, clearer headlights. Hack number 5. Keep your battery terminals clean. Corroded terminals can cause starting problems. Mix some baking soda with water, scrub the terminals with an old toothbrush, and dry them off. Problem solved. Hack number 6. Use a pool noodle to prevent car door dings. Cut a pool noodle in half and attach it to your garage wall where the door swings open. Goodbye, annoying dings. Hack number 7. Fix minor paint scratches with nail polish. Find a color that closely matches your car's paint and carefully fill in the scratch. It's a quick fix until you can get it professionally touched up. Hack number 8. Keep your wiper blades in top shape. Wipe them down with rubbing alcohol to remove grime and extend their life. Clear visibility is crucial. Hack number 9. Use a shoe organizer for trunk storage. Hang it over the back of your seat and keep all your car essentials neatly organized. No more clutter. And finally, hack number 10. Always have an emergency kit. Include essentials like a first aid kit, jumper cables, a flashlight, and some basic tools. You never know when you might need it. Alright, those are my top 10 car maintenance hacks for every driver. Try them out and keep your car running smoothly. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and safe driving. Gordy Goes Watermark.